late in the evening. She's wondering with clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, I look alright, and I said yes.
Oh yes.
I feel wonderful tonight. We go to a party, and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asked me, do I look alright? I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I've seen the love lights in your eyes, and the wonder of it all. Still, you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. Not yet. I've got an aching head. So I give her the car key. She helps me into bed, and then I tell her, as I turn off the lights, I said, my darling,
Oh darling.
you were wonderful tonight.